Mm. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to our new video on my channel where I'm showing you my trading journey. I am not really profitable yet, but I'm gonna show you what are my results, what is my how my consistency is going, and my discipline. And most of all, I need to be accountable towards myself, even though sometimes it's uncomfortable or I feel tired just to make these videos next to a very busy life. But trading for me is a very big focus, but also myself. I just need to build myself a life next to it, and yeah, just stick to the data, and making data is very important. This year we up 15%. We have our first payout in the make, so that's going well. But last few trades, we had a few stop losses. We didn't win too much lately. Yesterday we hit a stop loss before, and I think I already figured out why, because we had some trend liquidity up, and yeah, that's a very nice target. And we were too soon with entering this trade. Yeah, a bit unfortunate. I still pay better attention. And then yesterday, after this one, I thought, okay, we have our low. We can go in. We don't have to put our stop loss all the way underneath the low. But again, this low also got taken out, and then we had a strong reaction. So what I'm thinking right now, finally, we created some nice demand zone. We took out this low, we took out this low. So for me, that means we can finally start to go our way upwards again. And our next confirmation is that we are also a little bit below our 50 zone here. So for me, it would be nice to tap back in here. We also went over our last small push towards this downside. And maybe if we can see it internally, we set our low, high, lower low, and then internally we have a small uptrend here and a small accumulation. And yeah, this was about to ask to be taken out, and that's what we did. So next time I should have a better look on that. And right now with the first momentum will go back up, and of course we will have a reaction over here. That's what we expect. So somewhere in this area is our demand zone, and we'll see what is about to happen over here. And that's my plan for gold. Still to target in towards at least the zone here on the left side of the chart. What is for me actually very, very interesting. Okay, next up we are still in EURGBP, and yeah, to be honest, we're not too happy about our entry. It was all the way last Wednesday. It turned out to be a very big swing trade, and yeah, that's okay. Yeah, we entered here, and for too long the price kept hanging here. And right now we're actually waiting maybe for another entry later on, because we changed character here. This is our low. Right now we have our for now this is our high, but I don't want to count on that. I think there is some news today also in 1 hour actually, so we'll see what will happen to the price. Still, these are my targets, and yeah, we can wait maybe until the price drops back in towards the 50 zone from here, which will be like in this area. So until we have continuation to the upside. I don't see any trend line liquidity here as liquidity. Um, yeah, we are already too high, but yeah, I can, of course, the price action can also do the unpredictable stuff. Then just like GBP Swiss franc, it will take out this area and then go all the way back up. So if that happens, it's okay. We learned from it, and we'll see. And also, we are in a Australian dollar, US dollar. And actually, we entered here. We almost went halfway towards our TP. And then the price came all the way back. And that's okay for me. Because apparently we have like a small trend line over here, which we wanted to take out before we go into new lows. And that's actually what we're doing right now. So we're just waiting until, yeah, we just drop at least underneath this 50, but I wouldn't be surprised because there's a nice change of character over here. So we go all the way down towards this low, because probably there is also liquidity underneath there. And that's what we're waiting for. Then heading to EU, yesterday we made a plan. EU. We are below our 50 zone in this leg, and we had a strong reaction over here in this area, and that's why I'm waiting right now until the price will come here to take our limit and go back in towards this high, because this is asking for to be taken out. I can see this as a somehow a liquidity zone. We took out also this low. We went back in towards this demand zone. We are below our 50. So for me, maybe valid setup to go all the way back at least until here. But I wouldn't be surprised if we already go up higher again. And yeah, the next, what else are we watching currently? I think some of the, yeah, this is maybe the most painful stop loss lately. And also, of course, it is our own fault, because we could have had our take profit somewhere there, but then the price did the probably predictable, because maybe some people had this entry before we went all the way back down. Right now, we just want to wait until, of course, the low has been taken out. Right now, we had a strong reaction, so we might have a structure shift soon. I don't really see it yet, but we'll just wait for it. Yeah, to be honest, I think I will just leave it with those pairs. Also, my plan on USD CAD not really playing out. I was waiting until the price will drop here, and then we want to go long. But maybe our short is in play right now. We are above our 50 zone here, and yeah. Anyway, yesterday was a bit of a messy day. We are minus 3R this week, but for the year we are plus 15%. So for me that's very nice. Just in 2 months, plus 15%. The win rate dropped a little bit, but I don't want to focus too much on it. It is all okay. It is what it is. We're just patiently waiting for maybe some take profits. Just let our trades play out. We'll see what is going to happen. Just go back to the 4 hour. There is some nice upwards momentum, so I would expect actually to break this kind of trend over here, to go more up and take all out this here. But yeah, that's my plan. Only the gold long, I just want to go in. We're just waiting for that. We have our confirmation, even though the trend internally is down. So anyway, we showed up again. I'm not always the best version of myself, but at least I show up. Discipline is key, and I will also make sure today I will do my back testing. I need to make those reps to keep it in mind. What is my edge? What can the chart do? How's price going to react? Those things are very important to me, and I will take you along the way and better myself, be better as a trader, and yeah, see you in the next one.